Hello and welcome back to another video. This is about the Xiaomi Mi Bluetooth speaker with Google Assistant. Currently selling for $49 on clearance from Kmart in Australia. It was 69 Australian dollars. The description on the website says, surround yourself with a brilliant stereo sound experience with the Mi smart speaker that comes with a built-in Google Voice Assistant. The dimensions are 51.1 centimeters high times 31.1 centimeters width and 10.4 centimeters diameter. Features a smart hub with Google Assistant built in, stereo sound with 2.5-inch full range speaker, Aurora light strip with the rhythm of the music, metal body construction, and touch sensitive controls with a 24-month warranty. It has one 5-star review, so only one review on the Kmart website. We might put one up later. So it's on clearance, so you might have to, if you want one of these from there at that price, you'll probably have to rush in because you may not be able to get it much longer. Now, show the box a little bit, what we can of it. Shows you a little bit of what you can do with the OK Google stuff. Let's get this happening. Probably just activated everybody's Google Assistant, sadly. Sorry about that. Just a bit of the box. A little bit hard to show. I don't have a huge amount of room to show it, but this gives you a bit of a look anyway. There's a QR code there. The color is white. The production date is 10th month 2020. The address where Xiaomi and all that stuff. It says it's the model L08K3. Was it a 9? That's a 9. Packing list, smart speaker manual and adapter, Bluetooth 4.2 and A2DP, 12 volt 1.5 amps, wireless IEEE 802.11a/B/G/N/AC. It works on the 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, and their website is www.mi.com, and so on. Made in China. Google it's a trademark of blah blah blah. So there's a bit of the specs on here. Tells you what it can do. Let's have a quick glance at that. Powerful sound, hi-fi audio processor, DTS professional tuning, plan your day, set alarms, timers and reminders, play and control music and media, get answers and control smart home devices. So basically anything you can do with Google Assistant that doesn't need a screen to show will work on this device. Pretty cool. So if you look down the bottom here, it shows that it's DTS and OK Google, so it's got the Google, proves that it's got the Google Assistant plus DTS. So when I'm not activating this myself during this video, I'll just say G or GOOGLE when I need to. Okay, so let's get this open. There's your instruction manual. We'll have a little bit more of a look at that in a minute. Let's get this open. Wow, this is well packed. The speaker and the power adapter, very basic. Okay, so just Just have a quick look at the instruction book. It's got English, French, Dutch, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese. I'm assuming that's Chinese, and I don't know what the bottom one is. Somebody might be able to tell me in the comments. Gives you the basics, what you do. It's got a click, play and pause button. It's got a microphone. It's got a volume plus and minus, and that's how you factory reset it. We don't have to worry about that. Orange solid light means that the microphone is disabled. White means it's in configuration mode, where it's pulsing slowly. And the yellow blinking quickly is factory reset. Okay, so you've got to use the Google Home app, which is exactly what I expected. Technical specs is there, as I read out before. Some fun things to do. We'll zoom in editing so you can read all this. Just if you need to read it a bit longer, just give it a bit of a pause. Do reminders, remember to use warranty, Google Assistant. It's got Chrome built in, Chromecast, and then it's on to the next language. Okay, let's not be one of those people handed sort of power plug we use in Australia. Not too bad. Zoom in editing. So you can see the voltage and all that. Okay. Let's get this open because we're going to need it to test this out. Okay, so they don't have a battery built in. To take these portable. So yeah, this is very well packaged. I'm actually quite impressed. Xiaomi's usually pretty good with their packaging. I've got one of their walkie-talkies or two-way CB radios, whatever you want to call it. It's a handheld one. And it was packaged brilliantly. Very well designed. Would like to get their latest of their walkie-talkies. They brought out a new one, number 3. You'll see some of them. The original one that I've got, which is number 2, in the it's on my radio videos, just pictures of it. They have Bestestimes written on the screen of the radio. A really nice screen. So there's all your buttons and your microphones. So this will be the front with the branding, bit of information on the bottom. That's where you'd plug in your power adapter. So I'll go ahead and set this up in the app and I'll be back. Okay, so we're on the Google Home app, which you can get from the App Store. You should be able to get it on iOS as well, hopefully. I don't know, don't have iOS devices to check that out. So we've got all this, What we'll do, as they keep changing this app, we'll go to plus at the top. It'll be set up device. So let it scan to see what it can find. Link one of your existing devices. Should be automatically in pairing mode, hopefully. Allow. Looking for devices, so I'll look for the new device. So this one here, you can see that got that different color there. Me smart speaker found. Yes, we want to set up that. So it'll do any updates and things that it needs to through the app, which is always good. Let's see how it's changed to blue. Sorry about the refresh rate on here. Did you hear sound? Yes. Yes. It'll be in living room, so we'll put it there. And next, create a unique name. I'll just call it me. Be easier. Living Room Me will do, because we've got other ones. Be good. Call it Me as in me, yeah. Living Room Me. So you don't mix it up with other ones. Or I might just call it Living Room 2. Be a lot easier. Yeah, I want it on the 5 gigahertz because it'll be inside. You got to put in your Wi-Fi password. I'll be back. Okay, set it to the 2.4 if you're going to have it a bit further away from where your Wi-Fi router is, your modem. Otherwise, set it to the 5 gigahertz. If it's going to be in the same room or very close, where it can pick it up, it'd be great. Okay, next. The 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi has further reach, like more distance, but a little bit slower speed, whereas 5 gigahertz has less distance, like less range, but faster internet. Okay, well, default music service for me is YouTube Music. At the moment, we'll leave it at that. So you got Spotify, YouTube Music, Apple Music, or Deezer. Link video services. Don't link all those. Foxtel, 9 Now, Stan, Disney Plus, and Netflix. I'll just leave it at that for now. Because you can get it to activate your TV and everything. Get started with voice calls. It has Google Duo built in. Don't really need that for me. What I do, it's got Telstra, you can link services. Not now. Household contacts, not now. Stay in the know. No thanks, don't need any of that. Okay, that's linked. And continue. Installing updates now. Take about 4 minutes, it says. So we'll be back when that's finished. The updates just make them run smoother, and then they usually have security updates within it, which is always good to have. So definitely wait for the update. Don't unplug it while it's doing the update. It's just made a noise, which is just showing that it's activating, it's doing stuff. It says your patience will be rewarded, so still installing the update. Yeah, this could take some time, this stuff, but it's always worth it when you get these updates, like I said, for security and all that. Like with your phone, always get the Android security updates. And your big Android updates. And that, if you've got antivirus, always update the antivirus. Or if you're using a VPN, always update the VPN when it's necessary. The VPN, what the VPN does, people who don't understand, is virtual private network. So it basically makes your internet think that you're overseas somewhere or wherever, so people can't track you. It encrypts your information, your network stuff, so that people can't steal your information as easy. Takes a lot more, there's a lot more encryption. Which basically means it's better for security when you're on the internet. Okay, well, it says 1 minute 30 seconds left for the update, so we'll be back. Now it says not much longer, so... yeah, it's a long wait, but like I said, it's always worth it. Any updates like this, even app updates on your phone, it's always good to go into the Google Play Store and get them. Sometimes they say they'll automatically install, but they don't. So you go in and manually do it, update all, because the developers send through security updates and different things like that. Okay, living room 2 is ready. Now let's explore what it can do. Continue. Start
Hi,
with...
I'm your good.
Well, I didn't know it was going to do that, so it deactivated that part. Oops. So you can do calendars and get it to tell you a joke. Tell me a joke.
Here's a good one. What do you call a caveman's fart? A blast from the past.
Will it rain tomorrow?
There's a good chance of rain in Goondai Hill tomorrow at 4 a.m. By the way, I can give you lots of information about your day. I'll send you a notification with more to try.
Tell me about my day.
Good morning. The time is 11:16 a.m. Right now in Goondai Hill it's 25 degrees and mostly cloudy. Today, there'll be showers with a forecast high of 26 and a low of 22. Have a good one. I looked for Christian classic rock, but it either isn't available or can't be played right now.
Then get it to do the weather. You can set up a routine where it'll play the news and all that from different news sources. It's pretty good. So you can say, tell me about my day, and it'll do all that. Ask it about the weather and the time, set alarms. Like, okay, gee, set alarm for 5 a.m. or whatever time you want. Or set a reminder for blah blah blah. And anyway, that's a bit of a look at the Me speaker. Thanks for watching, and this is Bestestimes reminding you to enjoy your tech.